Hello, so in this video I'll teach you how to install a custom indicator on MT4. So first thing, you want to extract or have your indicator downloaded in one folder. So as you can see, I already have this. So let me just extract this to my desktop so it's be easy for me to access. Alright, this is it on my desktop, right? So the next thing I want to do is you want to go for file, then open data folder, and under open data folder, then you go for indicators. Alright, so you can have this move to the side. Then for this window, so all you need to do is you can either copy and paste this into this folder or you drag and drop. So try not to drag and drop into this example folder or any other folder available for you. Make sure you just drag and drop into the plain indicator folder. So here you go. And after doing that, you can just close this and close this. Now, so make sure you have this navigator folder, and in case where you don't have it, you can just go for view, then select navigator. So yours might not be here, it might be on the right hand side, but just make sure you have it. Then you click on the indicator part. So you can see we have like 4 things over here. So just click on the indicator part and right click, then you click on refresh, then expand this, then look down and search for your indicators. You can see this is my indicator. So I will just, let me zoom close. So you see, you can either double click or you drag and drop your indicator. Then you can see these are the available options. So I'll click on OK, and this is my indicator. So that is that on how to install a custom indicator on MT4. I'll see you on the next one.